How malicious philosophers can be! I know of nothing more stinging than the joke Epicurus took the liberty of making on Plato and the Platonists. He called them Dionysiokolaches. In its original sense, and on the face of it, the word signifies flatterers of Dionysius, consequently, tyrants' accessories and lick-spittles. Besides this, however, it is as much as to say, they are all actors. There is nothing genuine about them. For Dionysiokolax was a popular name for an actor, and the latter is really the malignant reproach that Epicurus cast upon Plato. He was annoyed by the grandiose manner, the mise-en-scene style of which Plato and his scholars were masters of, which Epicurus was not a master. He, the old school teacher of Samos, who sat concealed in his little garden at Athens, and wrote 300 books, perhaps out of rage and ambitious envy of Plato, who knows? Greece took 100 years to find out who the garden god Epicurus really was. Did she ever find out?